Alright, boys, today we are starting a brand new series on this channel where we are just trading from fucking rock bottom, absolute nothing. I've been trading for like a year and a half now, maybe a little longer than that. I've had payouts. I have payouts here on Top Step, or I have one. I've had payouts on Tradeify. I've had one payout on Apex. I've had payouts on My Funded Futures. Total, I have, I don't know, probably 9 throughout all the prop firms that I've used. And I'm using Top Step for this just because I like the platform. It feels better. And so kind of the reason why I like Top Step is just their platform, Top Step X. It feels like, I mean, it honestly feels like a fucking video game. I hate trading on TradingView. It sucks. I know this is kind of the same chart, but just everything about this and the way it's set up feels so much better to trade on. So, I mean, it's 9:23 now. So we're going to kind of do a top to bottom. We're going to start with the daily. We're still in all-time highs. Still in all-time highs, far above EMA. Not much to look at here other than kind of draws we could come to, but I'm not seeing anything that's close enough to bring us down from all-time highs. We might just have another bullish day today. Just keep swinging up. Let's jump to a 4. Let me check my. Alright, so we got ADP non-form, ISM. ADP's already done. 10 a.m. we got ISM. Treasury, I don't know what the fuck that is. I'm gonna close that. Should be a decently volatile day. I think probably just to keep bull running. Got a few draws here. Again, this is the hourly, so it would take, I mean, it would take a very strong bullish move to come down and knock all these out. I don't see us coming down anywhere down here. Or really, I mean, we don't really have any imbalances to trade to. Not on these time frames, at least. I mean, this is all 1 hour. This is price action that clean. It's all kind of chop. Yeah, this already been tested fucking 50 billion times. I don't know how well that's gonna hold up. Just keep going. Kind of cleans itself up here. We got some to look at. Got these. I'm just now getting my fucking Top Step X reset up. I haven't used it in a while, so. These two. This one's pretty much already done. Or it will be. This one's already been tapped back into. I don't even think I got my fib set up on here. Where's my fib at? Holy shit, no, it's not set up right. At all. Nasty price action. I mean, it's already disrespected EMA. Uh, just barely tapped into this. It's rejecting out of it. Strong rejection out of it. Looks like we're getting ready to swing back up for market open. Probably knock all this out and just keep swinging up. See what we're doing on the 5. Yeah, see on the 5, all these imbalances are already disrespected. We have one here that's being respected. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Not worried about this one. This one's being respected heavily a minute before market open, which is kind of telling me that we're probably just gonna, yeah, we're just gonna swing up. Probably just get another bull run today, like we've been having. I don't really have any draws. I mean, this is a fresh combine, brand new, 50K. So I'm just looking to make 1500 today, just for consistency. Try and pass it between today and tomorrow. Not a fan of the 1 minute today. I mean, this is fucking disgusting. But there's our pre-open volatility, 6 seconds. There it is. Yes, sir. It's kind of expected. Let's see how far it's going to go before we get a slight pullback. Probably swing up. I don't know, maybe knock this out here and then get a pullback, or it's just going to pull back right now before we get our actual move for the day. Yeah, clean price action off this level. Yeah, I just don't see us swinging bearish today. I just see us holding this. Yeah, knock that out. Back to all-time highs. See, are we gonna reject out of this, or are we gonna just flush through? Hopefully flush through, build good structure up, find a level that we could tap back into and just ride it back up. I mean, super bullish today. I wouldn't mind tapping back into this level here and just getting strong rejection out of it. This rejection off of this level right here it just wasn't enough for me to want to flip bias or anything. I think I'm holding pretty strong to bullish. It's just coming down to get a retest. And then I'll probably look for something long. I mean, we're 4 minutes into market open, so there's no rush right now. Let's see, I like that. Let's see if we can get rejection out of it. What was that? It was a 15-minute. And nope, just flushing through it, disrespected. It's not terrible. I'm still looking long today. We could potentially just be retracing down into like one of these levels here. I mean, this one's still technically considered untapped, unmitigated. We could find some support down here and fucking bull run after that, or this can get disrespected, and I might have to flip to bullish today. Maybe get some the market to kind of balance itself out a little bit. We've had a lot of all-time high days. I mean, this whole leg here, it's kind of starting to balance itself out. So if I got to flip bearish, I'm not mad at that. Got plenty of draws down here. I wouldn't mind shorting too. Let's see how we react to this level though. Let's see what happens. Either we're gonna slow down volume or we're just gonna fucking flush through it. It'd be nice, slow down volume, get a little rejection out of it. I wouldn't be mad at that. Looks like we may flush through. And if we flush through, honestly, I wouldn't mind taking down to this draw. I'd probably end up somewhere like, where's that? Somewhere like maybe here. Probably end up looking something like this. Maybe right here. I'd like to be at about a 50-point stop, so I can catch something earlier. I'd like that. But I'm kind of getting to the neutral point now, where everything's kind of flipping on itself. Our 5 minutes tanked, 2 minutes tanked, our 1 hour's fucking dumping. 4 hours dumping. I mean, everything's on its face right now, so. It is really good volume, but at the same time, it could just be a short fake out to where, like, look where we just tapped into this, and now we're just fucking right back out of it. If we can get the volume to support, honestly, just a long back up to where we jumped to and to start. Something like right here. Probably something like this. This is kind of where we flushed through. Let's see what this candle wants to do. short here.
Order filled.
When be on this one. I didn't really think about the sizing. It's probably a bad play on the sizing, but let's see if we can get this rejection out of this.
Order filled.
Out right there. Got $200 to work with on the daily. That was just an impatient play. It was looking good. It was looking like we could have potentially got a quick short there. It looks like it still potentially could play out, but it would have chopped me out. We're gonna
Order
enter
filled.
back in here. Come up here. And we're just gonna let daily loss limit put us out of this one. Yeah, I like that. Solid rejection out of that. Swing back up. I might close early, somewhere in this range, depending on what it does. I need to flush through this imbalance here. Just get through it, get it out the way. Looks like we're kind of rebalancing back out to potentially look bullish. This volume is strong.
Order filled.
And I think that's pretty much going to put us out for the day. Let's see if I
Order
can
filled.
short this here. if I can kind of scalp some of his money back.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
Again. Yeah, come on, flush through. Just give me the flush. Come on.
Order filled.
Take that. Back to just down 650 on the day. It looks like we're probably going to just hold shorts for a little bit. I can now enter back into a kind of decent position where I'm just going to look for
Order
a short
filled.
right here. Down to this level. And I'm going to hold this for a little bit. And again, I'm just going to use my daily loss limit as kind of my stop loss. Just because it is a combine. It's a brand new 50K. So I'm not too worried about it. We get the flush through here, so I mean, I don't see any reason to not come down to these draws down here, but we are going to close out. We're going to go in a little heavier on this next one. We're going to go with 8. I'm going to sell
Order
8.
filled.
Again, down to this level. Solid rejection. I like the flush. Probably going to get out right here.
Order filled.
Close that down to just down to 43 on the day. So I'm kind of just scalping this whole down move right here. I mean, anybody in the world can call it gambling. It is a brand new 50K, and it's not that important to me. If I blow it, I blow it. I mean, I can't blow it today because I have the daily loss limit. But if I blow it, it's not that big of a deal. I'll just buy a new one. Caught myself first trade. Kind of caught myself on the wrong side of the market. Looks like we're kind of balancing out to be bearish for a little while. I don't know how long we're gonna hold this. I don't know which one of these draws we're looking to come to. It may just be this one. So I'm gonna be a little more patient. I may get into something else just to clear up and get break even for the day before I look for another decent move to make the 1500. So we're gonna drop back down to 5 contracts. These are areas where we do get pullback. So I'm gonna probably stay out for a couple of minutes and just see how this plays out. If we can flush through this level, this draw, then I don't mind taking a quick short to just go back break even for the day. But you can see volume's kind of slowed down a little bit. We are trading on the 1 minute, so everything is super volatile. I see I'm seeing green. Are we going to get a pullback? We can get pullback volume, or are we just going to fucking... It's not looking like it, so I'm going to go ahead and sell.
Order filled.
Looking for 250 just to get back even on the day. See, I don't want to see it reject off this level. I kind of want to see it flush here. Just like that.
Order
We're gonna
filled.
close that. Only down 60 bucks on the day. That is, I will consider that break even. So now at this point, I'm just gonna wait for an actual move that I like any kind of retracement into a key level right now. The volume is kind of 50-50. This isn't the strongest volume for what I'm looking for. We just tapped into a draw. Depending on what we do at this point, will determine if I'm gonna go short or long for the day. I already know everybody's going to say, oh, you gambled your way back. You gambled your way back. I did indeed gamble my way back. I was just scalping the fucking the short move, the quick short move we had. I guess if that's gambling, then fuck it. I'm a gambler. I mean, it's a 50K combine. It is a $50 account. It is not that serious. As long as that type of shit doesn't transfer into when you're funded, which it has for me in the past. I mean, you really don't have to give a fuck that much in these combines. Just don't let that shit go over into the funded account, and you'll be solid. Like that first loss I took, I would have been sized way down in a funded, and if I still took that same loss, it would have been like a $200 or $300 loss, and that just would have been it for the day. My everything, all the rules, all the risk settings would have been activated on Top Step X, and I would have just been locked out until New York Open tomorrow. Kind of just a solid move here. I'd like to see some kind of volume step in. I mean, structure is solid enough. I think I may just.
Order filled.
I'm gonna jump in right here. Again, I'll let my daily loss take me out. I don't know what the fuck that may be. Something like that. Let's see. Instant pullback on my entry. Again, that one's on me. So I mean, it's not that deep.
Order filled.
And we're out for the day. Bad entry, impatient entry. Looks like it's probably just gonna be a pullback here, and then it'll probably stay short.